So today we are going to discuss on asthma sign and symptoms in children and how to differentiate common cough and cold from asthma. I am Dr. Sudha Kansal, pulmonologist at Indraprasth Apollo Hospital, New Delhi. I am going to discuss something very important and a common question asked by the parents on does my child has asthma when they have repeated cold and cough. So asthma is the commonest chronic illness in children. Usually it manifests by the age of 5 years and many times there is a family history. So what are the signs and symptoms of asthma? Asthma is manifested by cough which is recurrent and lasts for more than 10 to 14 days. It is more in the night and early morning and it is accompanied by wheezing, which is a whistling sound when the child breathes out. Also they complain of breathlessness, chest tightness and sometimes fatigue also. Usually it is triggered by any kind of fumes, dust, pollens, also extreme of weather, and don't forget pets and the droppings of pests like especially cockroaches. So if your child complains of these symptoms, you should visit a pulmonologist who will prepare an asthma plan and treatment for your patient so that your patient remains symptom free. Also there are some red flags. His respiratory rate is very harsh, or the lip or the fingertips they start turning blue, or the patient become drowsy, then he should be immediately rushed to the hospital because he requires hospitalization and subsequent care. Now sometimes the parents are confused that how do I differentiate asthma from a normal common cold and cough. So normal common cold and cough usually does not last beyond 10 days and the symptoms are more in the daytime, not at the night, and usually there are no triggers. So if the symptom persists longer, then you have to think of asthma, especially if it is accompanied by chest tightness, wheezing and breathlessness. So it is very important that you see a pulmonologist so that they can form a proper treatment for your patient, for your child, including vaccination, which makes your child totally fit and fine and he can live a normal life with under supervision of pulmonologist. Thank you.